How to activate your JCPenney credit card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to activate your JCPenney credit card. So first thing first, just head over to your JCPenney website online, or you can also actually download the app for it. And if you want to register online, just visit JCPenney website by simply searching for it and just click on this first link over here. So in this case it's not available in my country for some reason. So anyways, make sure to navigate to the JCPenney website and find the section for managing your credit card or creating an online account, and you will likely need to enter your card number and zip code to begin the registration process. And you just have to follow the prompts to complete the registration, which may include providing your personal details. So once registered, your card will be activated. And alternatively, you can also call the JCPenney credit card customer service at the mentioned phone number over here and follow the automated prompts to enter your card information. If necessary, you will be contacted to a customer service representative who can assist with the activation. So you'll need to provide personal information for such verification purposes. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.